Good morning students of class 6. This is our third video of chapter Motions of the Earth from Geography. Now students, we will do some short answer questions in copy. What are the effects of revolutions? So we know the revolutions causes changes in the seasons. Winter, summer, spring and autumn are the four seasons. Next question is here, what would happen if the earth did not rotate? So if the earth did not rotate, one part of the earth would have only day and the other part would have only night. The next question is here, why is the full day added to the month of February after every 4 years? So we can see here one full day is added to the month of February every 4th year because the earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. According to a calendar year, it has only 365 days and 6 hours. For 4 years are added to the month of February to maintain the balance. Next question is, what is the difference between dawn and dusk? The period of diffuse light when the sun is still not visible just before the sunrise is called dawn, where the period of diffuse light means light it gets dark, it is called dusk. So we can see that Japan is called the land of the rising sun and the Norway is called the land of the midnight sun because of this dawn and dusk. The next question is, what is an equinox? What are these two special days related to equinox? In which positions of the earth do we experience equinoxes? Why? Think and answer. So what is an equinox? Equinox is a day when the sun shines vertically over the equator and days and nights are equal. Nights and days are equal. Okay, so this is called as equinox. So in the northern hemisphere, the second part of question is here, that what are these two special days related to equinox? In which position of the earth do you experience equinoxes? Why? Think and answer. So in the northern hemisphere, spring equinox occurs on 21st March and the autumn equinox it occurs on 23rd September. Whereas in southern hemisphere, spring equinox occurs on 23rd September and autumn equinox it occurs on 21st March. Next question is, where do people experiences equal day and night throughout the year? So people living at the equator experiences equal day and equal night throughout the year. Because near the equator there have according to equinox, the rays of the sun is falling vertically over the equator. That's why they have equal days and equal nights.